This is on page 600. This is on page 688. Maybe we want to add following notes. Is this? You're going to make a space for every decision you need to make. And then once you have that space, put the number of choices for each decision in the space. So for our trumpet, we had 3 decisions, valve 1, valve 2, valve 3. We had 2 choices for each. Can you see for our coin flip and spinning, there's only 2 decisions. What's going to happen to the coin? What's going to happen to the spinner? And they each had 2 choices, giving us 4 in total. And now we're going to go to example 1. And this is a great example for today because it's so hot outside. Does it ever happen when it's so hot outside, your house gets really hot? And then it's hard to sleep because your house is so hot, so you're like, oh, if only I had a fan. And maybe you're super lucky and you have 3 different fans that you have set up in different places in your room. You can create a different windy environment almost every night if you want. And that's what we're going to figure out. How many different ways could you set your environment at night so you have like a different windy experience before you go to bed every night? Well, using the fundamental counting principle, you have 3 decisions to make. Fan 1, fan 2, fan 3. And you have 3 options for each one. So it could be off, low, or high. So there's 3 choices for your first decision, 3 choices for your second decision, and 3 choices for your third decision. You can almost go a whole month with a different windy experience. 27 different ways you can set these fans. Okay? You can set them all on high for the super windy experience, or all off if you want a night which is calm. If you wanted to do this systematically, your tree diagram would look like this. 3 branches, off, low, high. Then 3 branches off of here. Can you see why this as a counting method can get annoying? Because now there's going to be 3 branches off of each of these ones. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of room. Oh no. And then, off, low, high, off, low, high, off, low, high, off. Right? Yeah, and you got the very calm, experience. We've got some funny experiences like this one. And we could list them all systematically now, if we wanted to, and get all 27 of them listed. So the tree diagram, if you had to list them all, gives you a nice systematic way, because this second one would be, ooh, and then, oh, and so forth. You could list them all. But the counting principle lets us count them very quickly. And this is what this unit is about, is how do we count complicated things quickly? And the first method of counting complicated things quickly is this fundamental counting principle. All right, so questions you can circle are 3, 4, 6, 11,